Hello, lovelies. All right, so I got my November Elves Box from Sophie and Toffee. This is a resin crafting subscription box that I buy for myself. No sponsors or anything, so I'm under no obligation to say nice things unless I want to. Sorry about all the background noise, but we've had some lovely rain today, so I've got dripping water coming, noises coming from outside, and I'm running the heater, and I'm not giving up my heater for sound quality. Sorry, guys, but I'm pretty sure I'm loud enough you can hear me over it. So, Elves Box, November. I, of course, haven't remembered anything. No weird leaks or anything on the box this time like we had a couple months ago, but it was not wrapped in the bubble wrap this time. In fact, I can't flip over the box because that's where my address is. So they just sent the box and they had it sealed up with some good packing tape. It did take me a little work to get that packing tape to open, so, I mean, it was still securely wrapped. You can kind of see the lines from the tape on the box that I had to slash up to get into it. So let's find out what they sent me. Ooh, they sent me something that's coming out of the box. Frozen Winter Wonderland. It's good timing. And the recommended project is a Crystal Ice Scepter hairpin. I like hairpins. That sounds cool. And there we go. Here is the list of things in my box. Hold that there so anybody who needs to get a screenshot of it can. And here we go. So let's see here. Ooh, yay, rainbow pellets. I know, I'm ridiculous. I like rainbow pellets. Christmas themed silicone mold. Let's see here if we're going through this in order. Oh my goodness, there's so much good stuff in here. Okay, screw going through this in order. We're just going to go through this in the order it is on the top of the box. So here we have some, it's that clear film stuff. I've used it in some other things. It's a lot of fun to work with, and it's very Christmas themed. Yeah, you've got a good shot of those snowflakes and stuff. And look at that lovely holographic color. Yet again, an example of how nail art supplies are amazing for resin crafting. Let's see here. More nail decor items. Looks like we've got some sort of holographic bezel shapes in there and some other little things. Those will be really good in shakers. And I've sent a lot of shaker stuff in the past, so easily translating over. Ooh, holographic powder of some kind. Let's see. I don't know. Holographic powder. A couple of snow globe shaped open bezels. You can probably turn those into actual shaker charms with a little bit of creative effort. Would not surprise me. Oh, okay, those are taped together. So these, I'm guessing, are the metal sticks for making the hairpins. They've got, is that visible? There we go. So there's some grooves on the tops of them so that you can loop things around and tie them on. But I'm guessing these are the hairpin sticks. Or scepter findings, my bad. So those are also scepter findings. Resin. So let's see. Thin type, clear resin. There we go. Resin. Because, you know, resin project box. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, those are pretty. Okay, so we've got some opalescent gems, we've got some snowflake sequins, we've got some opalescent gems in some other colors. Oh, these are really pretty. I like these. I'm going to have fun using those. I think I might have to do like a winter dragon open bezel because I've still got some of those bezels left. More glitter! Oh my gosh, I got so much glitter in this one. I am so happy about this. So let's see here. We've got, what are those? Those look like bunny heads. That is probably wrong. I'm probably just not thinking about it right. But we got some great purples. We got some moons, some stars, some little scale things, couple different sizes of glitter. So we got some super fine glitter, some medium glitter, some little pearl things. I don't know. I'm still seeing rabbit heads. Maybe they are rabbit heads. I don't know. Copper wire for jewelry. So that would definitely be for putting together the hairpin snow globe snow scepter thing, and I use wire and a bunch of other stuff, so that's exciting. And oh, here we go. Here is a crystal mold. Ooh, okay, wait a minute. So crystal mold, I can feel there's an open slit right there. It looks like I'm going to have to be very careful taking pieces in and out of it, but I'm really excited about this shape, and it's definitely designed to work with these pieces, so that's super cool. This is a mold that feels, I don't know, this feels weird. It's almost sticky. It's a little castle shape. It looks like it's got some Christmas trees going on as, maybe those are just turret shapes. I don't know. I might have to find a video to see what shape you're going to actually get with this. Oh, it's kind of visible through. Can you guys see through there like I can? Yeah, so it looks like maybe it's just a standard castle. I could probably make it creepy if I wanted instead, just based on the colors I pick. But the mold itself feels like super sticky, like it's going to pick up dust really easily. So I'm going to have to be careful how I store that. Oh, and here we go. Here is the Christmas themed silicone mold. So let's see here. We've got a bell, we've got a Christmas tree, 2 different snowflakes. I've used other snowflake molds before. When they get this delicate, it gets a little tricky taking them out of the mold, so you have to be careful with those. Stocking, holly berries, that's one where you definitely have to be careful with your color pours. But, I mean, those are fun shapes. I can definitely work with those. And is there anything else in here? Nope, that looked like everything. So that's what we've got. We have some great color choices. It's kind of a winter wonderland theme kind of thing, which I'm super down for because I have a lot of Jewish friends who are grumbling about everything for the holidays is only Christmassy, and I think this is a lot nicer as being inclusive to people who don't celebrate Christmas. So that's a really nice, thoughtful thing that they did for us instead of just going whole hog on the orange or on the red and green. I'm going to definitely have fun working with these. Just want to kind of play with this again because they're really pretty, and I think this is supposed to be the iridescent gems mix that was on the list, now that I'm kind of going back and comparing. And the other thing, the words I was forgetting on this one, now that I'm looking back at the list again, is this would be the Christmas Galaxy holographic transfer film. So it's one of those things where you set it down and you rub it, and that's the recommended method for using it. So super excited about that. There will probably not be another subscription box before Christmas. If you are a Christmas celebrating kind of person, if you're a Hanukkah celebrating kind of person, then happy Hanukkah right now. And happy all of the other many holidays that happen in December. And I think I will see you lovelies on the internet. Don't forget to check down below for my links. I've got a Facebook page and I've got a Patreon, so go ahead and check me out there. And yeah, that's it. I hope your crafting this winter is productive and not frustrating and done in time for any gift giving you're going to give. See you on the internets, lovelies.